Hello and good morning everyone. Welcome back to another vlog. We are in Goa right now and this is part 3 of Mumbai Goa Bangalore vlog. Let's head to our next destination, that is I guess boating. Let's go. So this is some unknown location right next to the beach. We are right off the Paradise beach. थोड़ा आगे है हम वहाँ पे. And I'm not sure about the where exactly it is. Of course it is in the ocean and it's quite beautiful. So Purvesh has some ties with this fishermen and this tourist boat guys. So we've got a good deal. So after we get to the shore, we'll go to fish market to see fish auction, which takes place regularly over here. देखते हैं कैसा है वो भी.
Painted with your name. I remember that I was drunk out my mind.
16,500 1700 वर 1700 दोन वर 1700 दोन वर 1700
Disappeared. I never thought I would see you here after all this time. I remember that I was drunk out my mind when we kissed for the first time in the back of your car. We passed out counting stars. Promised all these years we'd pack our things and disappear. I never thought I would see you here. Try to replace you with somebody out there.
ये फिश फाइंडर है.
Even care. And if I lost my mind, would you come around? I will keep you safe and sound after all this time.
Rise up from the ashes, wings on my back, stay lit like a matchstick. We ain't coming back, I swear. Just let go and see what happens. Gotta let go to see the magic happen. They got us a quick change, so we like them in phase. I just bought a new watch, time to make my wrist ring. The zero gravity keeps elevating me.
गौतम नहीं था वो पहले हेलना को शायद तो चिका ही हाँ
Fighting on, we keep moving up. You can't hold us up. So I'm up above the clouds. So I can't see the ground. So I ain't coming down. So no, I ain't ever coming down. Rise up from the ashes, wings on my back, stay lit like a matchstick. We ain't coming back, I swear. Just let go and see what happens. Gotta let go to see the magic happen. They got us a quick change, so we like them in phase. I just bought a new watch, time to make my wrist ring. The zero gravity keeps elevating me. The zero gravity, they got us a quick change, so we like them in phase. I just bought a new watch, time to make my wrist ring. The zero gravity keeps elevating me. So I'm up above the clouds. So I can't see the ground. So I shining no more. I don't know if we can do this anymore. If there is a time we'll wait, yeah. If there is a way I will never stay, never stay, yeah.
It's nice and peaceful. So guys should plan a trip. मेरा unfortunately बहुत solo सा trip हुआ है. I was planning it with my brothers but वो लोग available नहीं थे तो solo trip करना पड़ा. You guys should plan. Solo trip में भी अपना मजा है but when people are there you enjoy a lot. So guys, we are in कौन सा beach है? This is Ready Beach.
Going in the opposite direction.
Okay. Okay. So he is from this place, Shiroda, Goa.
Hi.
And he is really good at swimming. Let's head back. Actually, I'm bad at swimming. I haven't learned it, so I'll soon be learning swimming. जब तक सीख ना लूँ तब तक पानी में रिस्क लेना सही नहीं होगा. So I'm heading back to the bike. Bike दिख नहीं रही होगी. There it is. That will be all. Goodbye, take care, and see you until next time.